Okay, so here we have rhombus VENU, okay? And it's made with diagonals VN and EU, okay? The problem tells us that diagonal VN is a length of 12 and diagonal EU is a length of 16, and they want us to find the perimeter, okay? Well, based on the rules I gave you earlier about a rhombus, we know that a rhombus has 4 equal sides, okay? And it has 2 diagonals that when they intersect each other, they create 4 right triangles. Okay, and also when those diagonals intersect each other, they are bisecting one another, meaning that they are cutting each other in half. Therefore, if they tell us that the entire diagonal VN is 12, that means this piece is 6 and this piece is 6. And if they're telling us that EU is 16, that means this piece is 8 and this piece is 8. Okay, so they want us to find the perimeter, right, which is the outside border of the shape. Okay, in order to do that, okay, we need to find one side. Well, how do we find one side of the rhombus? Like I mentioned before, the diagonals of a rhombus create 4 right triangles inside the rhombus. So we have a right triangle right here with a leg of 6 and a leg of 8. And we need to find this side here, the hypotenuse of the right triangle. So what do you need to use? You need to use the Pythagorean theorem, okay? So in order to do that, we know the Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So in this instance, a is 6, so that's 6 squared. B is 8, so that's 8 squared. And our x is c squared, okay? Well, this is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, so if you know that, okay, that's a little bit of a shortcut. But if you don't, that's okay. 6 squared is 36, 8 squared is 64, and that's equal to x squared. 36 plus 64 is 100, okay? The square root of 100, you square that side and that side, you're left with x over here, and the square root of 100 is 10. So the side is equal to 10. And like I mentioned before, if we have 4 equal sides and one side is equal to 10, 4 times 10 equals 40. So our perimeter is 40.